Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you can add friends or add Supercell IDs in your Clash Royale account. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is you want to go to Clash Royale. And then you want to click on the three lines here, then click on settings. And then as you can see, this is already connected, and if you click on connected, then your Supercell ID will pop up, and these are all the friends that I've added in my Supercell ID. So if you want to add more friends, then click on the plus icon here. Then you can share your link to your profile here. You can airdrop it, copy it, or send it to different applications, or you can also share my QR code to add friends in Supercell ID. So if you add friends in Supercell ID, you'll directly add them to Clash Royale, Clash of Clans, Brawl Stars, Heyday, etc. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope this video was very helpful. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any more questions or comments, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's Millie signing off. I'll see you in the next one.